What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video, and today we are coming with a cool alternative for Forsage. Anyone looking to grab crypto, and the reasons you will want to grab crypto just because it's pretty much going to be the shift in currency down the road, and crypto is growing in worth. So say you grab a certain crypto for a certain amount, few weeks, few months, few years from now, it will most likely be double, triple, and more. So there's a lot of people investing in crypto. Bitcoin is the more known crypto, but in this specific video we are talking about Tron, and it's connected to the Forsage platform. Now they have Forsage Tron. I just was told about this yesterday, and the reason why a lot of people are adding it to the equation just because the gas fees are crazy with Ethereum, because Ethereum is at its all-time high. There's thousands of people joining on a daily basis. So Tron is very cheap right now. It's very low. It's pretty much you getting in and purchasing some Tron at the beginning. So it's pretty much the same format as Forsage. It looks exactly like Forsage, but it's just going to be very cheaper, and the gas fees are little to none. For example, if you get in Forsage right now, depending on what time of the day it is or what day of the week it is and how many transactions and people joining are coming in at that time, you can pay anywhere from 40 to 60 bucks additionally on top of coming into the platform. So just 60 bucks alone would just be a mining fee, which is used to process the crypto quickly and securely, and making sure no fraudulent. It's just a fee, part of the blockchain and smart contracts. It just is what it is. It has nothing to do with Forsage, but it's just one of those fees. So like I said, with how high Ethereum is, how many people coming in to Forsage specifically on the blockchain, the fees are very high. And with Forsage Tron, the fees are very low. It's another cryptocurrency regardless. So it's not like I'm already leaving Forsage and going to Tron. It's just an additional platform with another type of crypto, but it's more affordable for those who don't who can't afford coming in at 80 bucks. And out of 80 bucks, 60 of it went to the fee. So to talk about that, like I said, it's pretty much the same as Forsage. So if you've seen my other videos, it's literally the same thing, except there's some different wallets, which is going to be, I'm going to walk you through all that on the website. There's going to be some different wallets. But besides that, everything is the same. But for someone checking this video out and you don't know nothing about Forsage, nothing about crypto, this specific platform, Forsage, we're talking about, is a crowdfunding crypto platform on a smart contract in the blockchain. Crowdfunding is pretty much, what people use to get their businesses, startups up without having to, get loans or come out of pocket. They get, whether it's investors or just people like you and me that believe in the vision, or, whether they want to grab the product when it, when it's past prototype. So they invest into that person so they can, put it into motion. And then, most of the time, if it's a certain, prototype, and it's going to be a certain, say it's a bike or something, usually when they put that money in, it's going to purchase, their bike when it's put into play and it's actually created. But in this case, it's a platform, it's a community that are already on the same page. We're all looking to fund our individual projects and startups. So everyone coming in the company is coming in the company, yes, to fund your project, but as well as funding their project as well. So you're not joining in just, funding my project. Within funding my project, you also earn spots in the community to, have your project funded as well. And it's very cool how it's set up, and it's very cool that it's paid in crypto. Regular Forsage is paid in Ethereum, regular Tron Forsage is paid in Tron crypto. So say you come in and you want to fund your project, but you want to stack up on crypto as well, because you don't want to come out of pocket for something like Ethereum or Tron, and buy a whole bunch right now. You rather receive some through referring people to the community. And it's really that simple. A lot of people make it real big. It's pretty much just a way to come in and get your startups and your projects funded, especially if you don't have the funding yourself. So yeah, it's really simple as that. I'm going to leave more information on the website. below or above. When you click it, it's going to lay everything out, wallets and everything. We're going to make it as simple as possible because it really is very simple. So for anyone, you know, whether you're already in an affiliate marketing, network marketing company, and you want to get into crypto, or you want to help fund a project, fund a marketing budget, or whatever it is your goal, just check the link out. Tron, this specific one that I'm talking about, I'm in Forsage and I'm in Forsage Tron. This one is very low cost. I want to say the first slot is about total, I want to say $17 for the first slot. And the more slots you purchase, the more you fund me, as well as the more you'll be funded, because we have a team sharing. It's a matrix. It's in a matrix form. So we have a X3 matrix, which is pretty much off of your own, you know, telling people about the platform. They get started with the platform. And we have an X4, which we help each other build, so you can, you know, fund your project with that as well. So you might receive spillover from me, receive spillover from above, receive spillover, you know, from someone not, you know, being active in the company or in a certain slot. You might receive spillover that way. But I'm gonna end this video. It's kind of long, but like I said, visit the website below or above, or if you see this on Facebook, just send me an inbox. You probably already know what I'm talking about. Just send me an inbox and we'll get you started.